Alright guys, so let's create our first Django REST Framework API. So first of all, I'm going to run python -m env and env. Okay, so our virtual environment is going to be created in here. So after that, type source env /scripts /activate, and then in the virtual environment is activate, then I'm going to run here pip install Django and Django REST Framework and click enter. Okay, it's telling me that something wrong in here for Django REST Framework. Okay, we have typing mistake in here. To give E, click enter, and our Django and Django REST Framework is going to be installed. So after installing the Django and Django REST Framework, type Django /admin start project. Okay, so our project name is going to be Django. Okay, Django app, Django API, and you can see we have the Django API folder in here, setting to I and other steps here. So after that, I'm going to be going to our Django REST API folder directory, and I'm going to start a app. Is python manage.py start app. Okay, and that is going to be our API. So there is our app. Okay, so after that, I'm going to be go into our setting and give here my so type here REST framework, and then I'm going to type here my API directory, click save, and after that going to be going to our model API directory and type here class post, and it's going to be models dot model, and model is going to have title the model dot char field, and it's going to have max length 1000, and after that I'm going to copy that and paste again. It's going to be this shown. Okay, this should be text field, and after that I'm going to type created at table models dot time field, and this should be auto now true. After that I'm going to be type here updated add. Okay, copy that previous one and paste in here, and going to be define the steer method will return self dot fill. Okay, so click save and run here python manage.py make migrations. Okay, we have a type mistake in here, this framework. Click save. Okay, make migrations. Our model is created, you can see. And I'm simply going to be migrate that. Okay, so it's migrated, our database is created. So if I go python manage.py create super user, type here admin main.com and type here password admin and password admin. Okay, I pass the password to python manage.py run server, and we are going to be now a server. Okay, so paste in here. Okay, and go to admin, give username and give the password and login. So our blog is not showing in here, so we have to just list that from models import. Okay, our model name is post and register and admin dot site dot register, and I'm going to give here post, click save, and we should refresh in here, and that is our post. Can add post. Okay, save, and you can see our post is added. So now what I am going to do is I am going to create our first serializer. First of all, type here create a new file or serializer. Okay, serializers.py. Then I'm going to import REST framework, import serializers from dot models, import post. Then I'm going to have class in here, and it's post serializer and serializers dot model serializer, and class should be meta model is equal to post field should be, let us type all. Okay, not all. Type string and all. Okay, we have all the fields now in our post serializer. So in the views, I am going to type here from REST framework import generics from dot models import post from dot serializers import post serializer, and I'm going to type class in here, that is post post list post list view, and okay, so the query set should be post dot sets dot all query set and serializer class be post serializer, and that's it. So this should be generics dot REST API view. Okay, so post list view is done. So I'm going to create a new else I in here, and I'm going to have the URLs in here, pattern, copy that, paste in here, and this will be post list, and type from dot use post list view, and type post list view dot as view. Okay, we're going to name it post list, and this is it. And one more thing, go to urls.py, the Django API directory, and type here, okay, type include API dot equals. Okay, so that's it. Click save. Everything is well. Yeah, so if you have a Postman, okay, you can see I have a Postman installed here. You can open that Postman, or just go here and type here Postman, and you should go to postman.com and download Postman from here. Okay, so I have already downloaded Postman here. You can see that. So now what I am going to do is first of all I am going to copy that URL from here, type here Postman URL. Okay, and you can see this slash API is this API slash, and after that we are going to go into API.urls, and that is API.urls, and that is our there is a post list. Okay, copy that, and after that click save and give the post list to pass that, and try to get the post, and we have error here, and it is type error. Okay, let's check this wrong. Type here method object is not literate. Okay, so in the serializer to see what is wrong. Okay, if I have okay, let's remove the all and type here ID, click save and send the request. So saying that okay, so click the views, and we have a mistake in here, the bracket, save, and now let's try to get the list. Okay, we have one ID, and if I go to the serializer and back into the all, click save, and if I send the request, okay, we have our description and everything. So this is how you can create your first Django API server. So yeah, this is our first API endpoint created by Django. I hope you like this video. Okay, stay subscribed to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.